All right, here's next. We have got Robin. Robin, I'm going to ask you a few questions. What company or product do you represent?
My company is ADAPS, and we represent the ADAPS portable transfer sling. And this is what it looks like here.
And tell us a little bit about it.
So it folds up into itself, and it's designed to fit on an airplane seat. And if you want to travel, you can take it with you to help make transfers from your wheelchair onto the aisle chair and onto the seat. And if there's an emergency, it helps get you out of the airplane since your wheelchair is not accessible.
That's fantastic. That is fantastic. What do you like most about what you've done?
What I like most is hearing the feedback from all of our customers and all the clever ways they've been using their ADAPT sling once they get it home.
Yeah.
So I call it the emergency sling you could use every day.
I love that. That's great. And how can people find out more about your product?
So you can find us on our website at adapts.org. That's ADAPTS.org. And we are also on YouTube, LinkedIn, Instagram, and Facebook. And we have a shop page that you can buy it from on our website.
Excellent. So you got all the bases covered.
Yeah, pretty much.
Very good. Robin, thank you so much for all that you've done and all you continue to do. We appreciate it. And thanks for talking to us today.
Thanks for talking to me.
Yeah. Thank you.